Hello. If you have a leaking water in your beko fridge, sometimes there are a problem in a leaking water. You can resolve it. Here you can see the water. You can resolve it here by removing just this part. This part is here. You can see this panel was here. I remove it, and when you remove it, you can find this hole that you must to remove something. You must remove something that was stuck there. So I removed this panel that was not mandatory to remove. You must just remove this little panel and remove remove objects maybe that can be stuck in the hole there. So this is how to fix this problem of the leaking water.